All right, welcome everybody to 2025 Onyx Meetup. I'm very grateful for all of you to come here. I hope we present you with a warming venue. I welcome all of you on behalf of Linux Foundation, on behalf of Onyx Steering Body and Intel Corporation. I want to cover some of the logistics. We have restrooms outside. The mystery of the lost coffee is now solved. It was delivered at a different room, so that's one of the reasons why we're running a little late. But otherwise, this is the username and password for the Wi-Fi access. If any of you haven't seen it yet, just take a picture of it and share it, because I think there will be a steady flow of others also showing up. Okay. All right, to cover the agenda today, we'll first begin with Mayank giving us a brief update of what happened the whole year. It's very typical of our meetup groups where we cover what the steering body covered, so he'll have a steering committee update to begin with to set the things in line. Then we'll begin with Rama talking about different SIGs and then their different updates that we have covering all the different SIGs. We will also have some working group updates during this session. Then we'll have a host talk, and then we'll get into a coffee break. Hopefully, the coffee will not be lost again. Then we'll get into technical deep dives. We have some very interesting topics today. We'll have some with the new evolution of this Onyx script. I think that would be a very interesting conversation that I'm looking forward to. We will have Yamini and Devang also talk about different things here. We'll have Yamini talking about how OpenVINO is using Yamini, and Mayuresh are going to talk about how OpenVINO is using Onyx. And then we'll have Devang talk about Olive and how Olive support is being enhanced for the new evolution or the new things that we are adding to Onyx. Next, we'll have quite a few talks, 6 of them, split into 2 sessions, on spotlighting on different partners on how they are using Onyx. And then we would have essentially the next session of the partner spotlights. We have quite an interesting set of topics here too. We have Yusuf, who has traveled all the way from France to talk about how they are using Onyx with LabVIEW. And we have Kunal, who's going to talk about Onyx Runtime GenAI. And then we'll go into a break. And the one thing that I'm really looking forward to today is a panel. It should be a very interesting panel. We have Rajat from Microsoft, we have Stuart from Microsoft, we have Prashant Sethi from Intel, we have Rajiv from NVIDIA, and we have Ashish from AMD here. So that should also be a very interesting conversation. This meetup specifically is very important, and I'm really looking forward to some brainstorming discussions with all of you. From the advent of Onyx till now, these meetups are really the places where we all come together, we share our learnings, our learned experiences, places where we see the strengths of Onyx, places where we don't see the strengths of Onyx being used properly, or we are missing on things like that. So I hope all of us brainstorm together. This is a gathering of minds where we share, we essentially are here to collaborate and build this next generation of Onyx that we are working on towards today.